Okay, here we are again. Interviewing now A.Gronau from Google in London.
Hello.
Google also a member, a partner in the project SocIoS. So Arya, what is Google's role in the SocIoS project?
So our role is, our contribution is going to be around.
Just above us,
It's going to be around. Say, we're going to contribute in the element of APIs, a little bit in just the design of the implementation. What we're hoping to bring is really our expertise, let's say, or my knowledge of technologies, general technologies, my knowledge of APIs. In terms of specifically in Open Social API, which is something that is kind of dear in the heart of Google. All sorts of other APIs that we have, such as the Search API, YouTube, Video Search, Image Search APIs, these kind of APIs that can help the project. And general infrastructure kind of design, help and knowledge into the project.
Now currently, or in the past year or two, there's been a lot of talk about social media, social networks, Google, or no, not about Google, but about Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, which is now part of the Google empire. Now, what is Google's particular interest in social media and in projects such as SocIoS?
So that's a very good question. I think social is obviously a trend that is happening in the internet. Everything is becoming social. We can see how sites like Facebook, like Twitter are becoming so successful and people are using them. It's really, the internet is becoming a medium for people to actually collaborate. From the beginning it was like that, but now it's kind of getting to this moment of explosion. And everything is really about social, and Google obviously takes that to heart. I'm sure that you're going to see a lot of social aspects being designed into our products moving forward, but this is obviously something that's very important for us, and we'd also like to obviously be involved in projects that are dealing with social aspects and collaborate and help out as well.
Now, looking at the project itself at SocIoS, what are your expectations and what are your hopes? What do you plan to get out of it?
It's a good question. I hope to see something happening eventually. It will be very, very nice to see eventually something coming out of this. There's a lot of different counterparts over here to this project, each one coming on with their own expertise, people who actually never met each other, and it'll be wonderful to see something at the end of this coming together into something that's usable by users, etc. And if on the way, people learn some stuff and people publish some new knowledge, then I think that's great for generally for the public.
And if there's one wish you could have, what would your wish be in this domain of social media, social networks in the Google context?
What would it be? Good question. Make Facebook open. I don't know.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.